The dictionary definition of coquette is a woman who flirts. So the aesthetic that has been trending on TikTok recently and is also sometimes referred to as dollette is inspired by the style and energy of a flirtatious woman. Its basis is in traditionally hyper-feminine elements such as dainty silhouettes, frilly and lacy fabrics, and light muted colors. But basically the idea is to look overtly feminine, flirtatious, whimsical, and youthful. Welcome to the Coquette edition of Internet Style. This is a series on my channel where I deconstruct modern day fashion aesthetics and show you outfit inspiration so you can replicate the style for yourself. Before we get into it, I am once again asking you to subscribe and let me know in the comments what your favorite aesthetic is. Most of the colors used in the coquette aesthetic fall within the pastel shade range, but pale pink is definitely the most prominent. White, gray, and black are used as a base for more saturated colors, as are light neutrals such as tan or beige. The most commonly seen fabrics and patterns include cotton, lace, knits, and ditzy florals. Heart shapes, bows, frills, layered, and button styles are some common coquette elements. For tops, the puff sleeve blouse is the most worn. However, white baby tees, fitted tops, high neck tops, turtlenecks, and tank tops are other popular options. This one specific style of long sleeve cotton peep neck, layered with a lace trim top with a bow detail, is a defining characteristic of the coquette aesthetic. Styles such as collared button-ups and polo shirts also play into its preppy side. Bustiers and other lingerie-inspired pieces also pop up here and there. Outerwear falls within the sweater category, specifically in terms of knit V-neck and argyle print sweaters, but sweater vests, fitted cardigans, and blazers, both cropped and not, fall into coquette as well. Bottoms include pencil mini skirts and pleated skirts, especially in plaid or tartan print. One pieces and dresses are usually worn in baby doll or milkmaid styles, often incorporating layers, puff sleeves, and empire waists. Slip dresses and two-piece suits are also other options. Shoes come in preppy styles such as Mary Jane's, kitten heels, ballet flats, oxfords, and loafers. Jewelry almost always incorporates gold, pearls, floral prints, and overall old-fashioned styles such as pendant and heart-shaped lockets. In terms of accessories, we see feminine pieces such as headbands, hair ribbons, and felt berets. Leg warmers, knee-high socks, and print tights are other go-tos, and they're often adorned with ribbons and lace. Bags tend to be smaller and quilted with short straps and incorporate some sort of lace, bow, or ruching detail. Hair and makeup aims to be as naturally feminine as possible, so gloss and highlighter are essential, along with rosy lips and cheeks. Hair can be worn long, both in straight and curly styles with a headband or ribbon, or in pigtails, ponytails, half-up styles, or braids. But before we get into the outfit inspiration, I do want to share some very exciting news. I recently relaunched my Depop storefront under the brand name Feria, which in my native language Georgian means fairy. On my website wearferia.com, you can find a bunch of vintage and pre-loved coquette inspired clothing, accessories, and shoes. My pieces are handpicked for fairies, they're all one of a kind, and they're all sourced in the US. There is also an option to filter by aesthetic when shopping, so even if coquette isn't for you, there are lots of other styles to choose from as well. Each item page also has a section dedicated specifically to style advice, so you can make the most out of your outfit. We have a new Instagram for the brand at wearferia, so make sure you drop a follow if you want to see some outfit inspiration, aesthetics, and more short form style guides. All of my inventory is still available to purchase on Depop at Wearferia. So click the link in my description or visit wearferia.com to shop vintage and pre-loved coquette. I based the first outfit on this white tank top that features a baby blue ditzy floral print, ruffled hems and buttons, because it is a unique piece that incorporates almost every single element of coquette, whether that be coziness, floral prints, white, pastels, or ruffles. I paired it with a simple white ribbed long sleeve cardigan to play up the coziness, but I tried to balance how casual the look was so far with this fancier off-white flare skirt. It has these cute three-dimensional flowers that are made of the same material sewed onto it, and they give it that hyper feminine dainty look that we're going for. But this could also be replaced with a tennis skirt or even a flared denim skirt. To match the white in the top, I also added some lace tights, Mary Jane's, and a hair bow to accessorize. And then to match the blue, I also added this cherry blossom print mini bag and a heart choker. Heart imagery is most often seen in jewelry, but you can also bring it into your outfit with other pieces as long as the overall look sticks to that pastel color palette. The next look tackles the pale pink color palette using this pink long sleeve top that has a cute little bow on the neckline. Both the pink and blue shirts have similar indentations in the material that are common in sleepwear. A lot of coquette incorporates cozy aspects from pajamas and decorative ones from lingerie, so that's why the shirt works perfectly. I paired it with a pink plaid pencil mini skirt and wrapped a pink knit around around the shoulders for some more texture. However, a cardigan or white sweater vest could be some great substitutes as well. I wore dupes for the Versace Medusa Avitas with some frilly white socks because I thought it fit well with the other pink shades in the outfit, but ballet flats or Oxfords could also work. I incorporated heart shapes with gold pearl earrings and this rose gold ring. This outfit formula would still fall into Coquette if it was in any other neutral or pastel color scheme. For the third outfit, I wanted to take on the preppier side of the aesthetic by basing the look around these heeled Oxford platforms. This corset has those feminine elements that characterize Coquette, such as satin bow lacing, lace trim, and a defined waist. Although light colors are preferable, Coquette doesn't shy away from shades of black and gray, as they can often serve in pulling the outfit together. So most of my accessories are black, including this quilted mini bag and velvet headband, but I also kept those white lace tights because they match with the lace in the corset and they make it look more cohesive. For jewelry, I went with all pearls with a necklace featuring a gold butterfly charm. Basically, if you start off with a base of lighter neutral pieces and incorporate bows, lace, or heart-shaped elements into some of those, pair them with some black preppy shoes and accessorize with pearl jewelry, you've got a Coquette outfit. My Royal Core style guide can give you more ideas that fall into this feminine preppy realm, so make sure you check that out next. Don't forget to visit wearferia.com to shop Coquette, and I will see you next time. Bye!